Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this green smoky eyed look with the 9 palette eye candy prideful eyeshadow palette. I think this is the shade Margot, and yeah, it's got some really pretty greens and teals in there, and I just wanted to create this fun look for you guys. Kind of feel like a peacock too, to be honest. It is like mid-July and it is freezing. It's crummy out, so I just wanted to come on and play with some makeup. So I created this fun smoky eye look for you guys for deep set eyes. So if you guys wanted to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna start with the dark matte green tone and my mud makeup brush. This is an 800S brush, perfect for blending and your crease. So I'm gonna dip that into the really matte tone, and I'm gonna hold the brush like I showed you guys in the last video, really vertically to the face, vertically to the eye. Just kind of hugs on to that brow bone nicely when you have deep set eyes. I'm going to really get some depth going on here. And I'm going to blend right into the kind of top of my nose. I'm going to pull the eye up. And keep blending. Now I'm going to take my JH40 brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection, and I'm going to go into that deep forest green again and go underneath the eye. Looks a little bit more turquoise on camera, but it is more of a forest green in person. I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer. You can use whatever bronzer you want, and I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill JH35, and I'm just going to blend this over the green tone just to soften it a little bit. I'm going to go under the eye as well. Now I'm going to go in with the turquoise foiled glittery color and the same small brush from the Jaclyn Hill, which is the JH40. And I'm going to dip into that and then start on the outer corner. And push that up into the crease to blend into the matte tone. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and go into the foiled green color and start pressing that on the middle of the lid and up into the crease as well. Now I'm going to press some of that color right along the lash line. Just wing it out. All right, lastly, I'm going to go into the lightest green shade in the palette, and this brush from the Sephora collection. This is the pointed concealer brush, but I love to use it for foiled and shimmery colors. Gives a lot of precision. I'm gonna go in the inner corner with this color. So I put on some liquid eyeliner and mascara, as well as took an angled brush, a little tiny angled brush, and went in with the deepest shade in the palette, which is like a blackish green tone, and just kind of gave a little inner eye wing just to give the eyes a little bit more of a dramatic look. Also, I used the Prideful lip gloss in the shade Henderson to match with this green blue eye look. So yeah, it's just a fun green smoky eye look for deep set eyes. Like I said, it's just a crummy day here, and I just felt like popping on here and just playing with makeup. So I just created this fun look to try out. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.